And hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the best credit cards for cashback. So, if you guys are into cashback like I am, you want to rack up a lot of cashback or points, then definitely check out this video because it's so many credit cards out there that I actually can't go over all of them, but I'm going to go over a few of them that you guys may want to check out. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I always talk about credit cards and talk about personal loans and just building your credit in general. I just want to make sure that whenever you're trying to apply for something, whether it's a credit card or a personal loan, that you're able to get it. I care that you guys have a higher credit score, but I just want to make sure that if you want to get a certain credit card, they say yes. I don't care if you have an 850 credit score. If you try to get a certain credit card and they say no, then that's a problem and we need to fix it. But hopefully you guys are able to get approved for these credit cards that I have here. A lot of these credit cards you can pre-qualify for, which is something really amazing. I really like when you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, because if you guys are able to pre-qualify, that means that you guys are not damaging your credit just by seeing if you can get a credit card. I don't want you guys to damage your credit. So let's go ahead and check out these different credit cards. So these are the best credit cards for 2020. I actually need to update it too because we're going into 2023 at this point. But I do need to update this. So here is the different credit cards. Now, the first credit card I always like to tell people about is the Discover It Cashback credit card. I really love the Discover It Cashback credit card because they allow you to get 5% cash back. So that is really amazing. In your first year for any Discover credit card, they're actually going to double your cash back. So say if you got $200 in cash back in your first year, they're going to double it at your 1 year anniversary. So I really love that. I have Discover. I have this credit card right here. So with my Discover credit card, since I have a credit card, I'm able to have like a $50 credit. So if you guys are trying to get the Discover credit card, make sure you guys come to my website. I have the link down below, and you guys can use the link right here, because when you guys use this link, you guys will be going to the website and my referral code would automatically be added for you all. So as you can see right here, you can go ahead and put the zip code in, last four digits your social, and your date of birth, and they'll be able to pre-qualify you. Like I said too, the $50 the $50 you guys can get is actually going to be a statement credit. You have to just make sure that you make your first purchase within 3 months of actually being approved. So if you just go and buy gas, or I don't know, whatever you want to buy, whatever within the category, then you guys should be able to get that $50 statement credit. Now let's go ahead and actually check out the different type of rewards, because it's different. With Discover, they have like different categories. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let me scroll down just a little bit just in case. Okay, last time my information was here and I don't want to edit this video. Let's go to credit cards. Um, the cashback credit card. So this is a credit card here. So again, earn 5% cash back. You're going to get 1% cash back on all your other purchases. And then unlimited cash back match for your first year. They're going to match your cash back. Another thing is this credit card has 0% intro APR for 15 months. So I really like that. And that's going to be on your purchases and balance transfer. Now let's go to the credit card so you guys can see like the different categories. So we have Amazon, grocery store, restaurants, and gas stations. So it's going to change up. Right now, we're in December 2022. So right now, Amazon and your digital wallets. So I use my Apple Pay a lot. I really just like how convenient it is. So digital wallets, that would count. And then also just shopping on Amazon, but it's Christmas time. So a lot of people are probably already shopping on Amazon. You guys will be able to get that 5% cash back, but that's going to be up to $1,500 in purchases. And then also starting January to March 2023, it's going to be at the grocery stores, drug stores, and select streaming services. You guys are going to get the 5% cash back for your first 1,500. So I really, really like that. I really like that for Discover. I like that for you guys too. So definitely check that out. And hopefully, you guys, I didn't use up too many of my $50 credits, and you guys are able to still get that credit. The next credit card is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. I really like this credit card too. They actually cannot pre qualify you for the Chase credit card, which actually sucks. I wish they can pre qualify you, but when it comes down to cash back, you guys are going to earn unlimited cash back, 1.5% cash back on all your purchases. Um, and then 3% on dining and drugstores and 5% on purchases through Chase. So I really like that cash back. But again, I like it, but I don't like that you can't pre-qualify for it. Like, I don't want to get any credit card unless they can pre-qualify you. Like, say yes or no on whether or not to get credit, um, whether or not they're gonna be able to approve you. And I told you guys, like, Dave Ramsey bit in my butt and watching a lot of videos. So I don't like the thought of taking on unnecessary debt. Like, I remember I used to always want all these credit cards, but then what's the point of having all the credit cards if you have to pay the bills on it? So when you think about credit cards, if you guys don't have the best of credit scores, don't try to apply for credit cards that can't pre-qualify you, because if you do, you're going to get that hard inquiry. So keep that in mind, especially if, like I said, you don't have the best credit score that you can have. Now, the next credit card is the Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards credit card. Capital One, honestly, they have multiple credit cards that you guys can apply for. A lot of their credit cards have cash back, even like their basic Quicksilver credit card. Yes, like like they have two Quicksilver credit cards, but I mean like the if your credit score is like not the best, you got a very, very low credit score, they have cash back, 1.5% cash back. They do have an annual fee for that one, but they still got cash back. But with this one, you guys are going to get 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores. Now, you guys can pre-qualify for this one without a hard inquiry. All the Capital One credit cards you can pre-qualify for without a hard inquiry. The thing that I really like about Capital One is that I'm hearing a lot of people getting approved for Capital One credit cards even after they burnt them into bankruptcy, meaning that they put Capital One in their bankruptcy, and then after they bankruptcy, they were still able to get Capital One again. So I really, really like that. So if you had a bankruptcy, you're kind of scared to get it, you probably put them in your bankruptcy, don't get scared. Go ahead and see if you can pre-qualify for a Capital One credit card, because it could be something that can really change your life and start building your credit back up. Now, you guys also have the Blue Cash Preferred card. So this is a great option for you guys. It's an American Express card. Look like I need to update that link. That one is not working, but go ahead and check that out on your own. Chase Freedom Flex card. Check this one out also, because you guys will get 5% cash back up to $1,500 on combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter. So this is very, very similar to the Discover Cashback card, because they have the 5% cash back. Think about it just like that. They also have the 0% intro APR for 15 months. Again, it's Chase. You can't pre-qualify for it. So, do as you please. But understand that you cannot pre-qualify for that credit card. Again, another Capital One Quicksilver credit card that you guys can check out. Bank of America customized cash rewards card. You guys can check this one out too. I love that Bank of America have multiple credit cards. They even have a secure credit card that you guys can check out. They have 3% cash back in the category of your choice, so you guys can choose where you want to get your cash back. 2% cash back at grocery stores, at wholesale clubs, and then 1% cash back on all your other purchases. So I like that a lot. Details on the quarterly maximum, go ahead and see below for the maximums that they have for this one. So it looks like you're going to earn 3% or 2% cash back on your first $2,500 in purchases, and then 1% after that. So I really like that they have that. That is good. That's better than that 1,500 cap for the Chase, and also for Discover, they had that cap. US Bank, you guys can check out the US Bank credit card. So all of these credit cards, again, are on my website, Rickita.com. If you can see up here, Rickita.com /best credit cards for Cashback. You guys definitely come here and check it out. There's multiple credit cards here, and also each credit card that I always tell you guys about always have a video here. So hopefully you guys are able to get approved for these different credit cards. Definitely that Amazon credit card is a great credit card. I do a lot of shopping at Amazon, so it's a great credit card. Somebody just left a comment on my YouTube channel about the Capital One Walmart rewards card. They was able to get this credit card. They said they already had a credit card with Capital One. It's $3,000. They was able to get another $3,000 credit card with Capital One. So you guys can definitely check this out. But again, there's multiple credit cards that you guys can check out. It looks like they're just going on and on and on. But I'm going to add more credit cards here because I want to make sure I add credit cards for those people that even have bad credit. Now, if you guys have a very bad credit score, you really need to start working to increase your credit score so that you have a greater chance of getting approved. So if you guys haven't checked it out already, definitely check out my 60 points in 60 days. So I teach you 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. Now, I already had my first group where I was like, let me do it as a group instead of just telling you guys. I'm going to actually do it for you guys and hold your hand through the process so that you guys can do things on your own too. And a lot of people have seen great increases, more than that 60 points, and it was like halfway through. We're not even done with that group yet. So definitely check this out. I teach you guys everything that you have to do. You can do it on your own. It's free. You can do it on your own, but if you want me to hold your hand through that process, then I am starting a group next month. So make sure you guys sign up for the group next month. All you have to do is just have my membership. If you guys have the membership, then you can come. I'll review your credit reports. I think I'll review your credit reports a total of 4 or 5 times, and I'll tell you exactly what you have to do at that time to increase your credit score. Now, it is going to be more of a like, let's go kind of thing. You have to do this, you have to do that. So make sure you be ready because you're trying to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. That's like not normal. That's not just going to happen just because. So we're trying to force it. We're trying to increase your credit score. So be ready for it. And congratulations to those people that's seen a great increase. I cannot wait for our next class that's going to start next month. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Hopefully you guys get approved for these different credit cards. And like I said too, it's on my website, Rickita.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.